Yo guys, today we're going to be doing epic stunts on our bikes and I've got a remote control car.
Let's do this!
Yeah!
Let's do this!
Whee! Whoa! Okay, now Rowan's going to drive it. Go, Rowan! Yeah! Guys, I found a different ramp here and let's do it on this one. Oh my day, how many flips was that? See this swing? We're gonna go on it because it's super fun. Let's go, guys! Oh, man. Try and touch that tree over there. Point the camera. 'And guys, we're going to do one last cycle together. Let's go! Woo! Woo! Oh! Oh my days! We're going so fast! Jeez! There we go, guys. That's going to be the end of the video. Hope you liked it.
Woo. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching.